Sailing with MAPSTORY marks a historical journey tracing down the path of the legendary explorer, Vasco da Gama, during his voyage to India. The purpose is to use MAPOG to visualize Vasco da Gama's historic voyage, uncovering key landmarks and maritime routes. Let us sail to the wonderful voyage using MAPOG MAPSTORY. First, click the Create button after opening the MAPSTORY. Fill in the map's title and description, and then click Save. Click on Create Story on the left of the screen. There you will have three options to add point, line, and polygon. Let's add points as our landmarks. You can add the points either by searching address or by manually. AI feature will give you the description also when you search for your points. Adjust and store the view of location. To make the point more appealing, you can add a title, descriptions, and images there. Include more categories if needed. Then hit Save. Like that, repeat the steps for the remaining voyage. Use the map settings icon in the upper left corner. Adjust the timeline's visibility. Press the play button on the timeline to test the tale. By clicking the preview, you can see the story. Select which of the two templates to view. To see the story, click the play button on the timeline. Use the share button to distribute the map. By carrying out this mission, we want to safeguard as well as endorse historic narrations with the aim of unveiling how civilizations and navigators formed links, as well indicating that man created history. MAPSTORY has applications in many domains like education, tourism, maritime industry, cultural heritage preservation, etc. Thanks for watching. Got queries? Reach out to us at support@mapog.com.